Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex Ezone 100. The Yonex Ezone 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket is a high-performance, versatile racket designed for adult players of all skill levels. Crafted entirely from graphite, both in the frame and shaft, it provides excellent strength, durability, and responsiveness while remaining lightweight at just 285 grams. This makes it particularly suitable for players who want easy maneuverability without sacrificing power and stability. The racket features a 100 square inch head size, offering a generous sweet spot that enhances precision and consistency in shots, making it ideal for baseline rallies as well as net play. With a 27-inch standard length and a grip size of 4 1/8, the racket balances comfort and control, reducing strain on the wrist and arm during extended play. Its design focuses on improving spin potential and shot accuracy, which benefits a wide range of playing styles, from aggressive hitters to strategic, all-court players. Yonex has incorporated advanced technology in the Ezone 100L to absorb shock and vibration, promoting a smooth and comfortable feel with each stroke. This feature not only helps prevent fatigue but also supports injury prevention over time. Lightweight yet sturdy, the racket offers a blend of power, control, and playability, making it suitable for both intermediate and advanced players seeking a responsive racket that enhances their performance. Overall, the Yonex Ezone 100L 2022 is a well-rounded, reliable racket ideal for competitive and recreational tennis players alike, combining precision, comfort, and cutting-edge materials. Number 2. Wilson Blade 98 V9. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 unstrung tennis racket is a high-performance racket engineered for advanced adult players seeking precision, control, and responsiveness on the court. Constructed from a combination of braided graphite and basalt in both the frame and shaft, this racket delivers exceptional strength and stability while maintaining a manageable weight of 305 grams. The materials also enhance vibration dampening, providing a smoother feel on impact and reducing strain on the arm during intense play. Featuring a 98 square inch head size with a 16x19 string pattern, the Blade 98 V9 offers a balanced blend of control and spin potential. Its slightly smaller head size favors players with advanced skills who demand accuracy and consistency in their strokes. At 27 inches in length, it maintains a standard profile that supports a natural swing and excellent maneuverability. The available grip size of 4 3/8 inches ensures comfort and firm handling, allowing players to maintain control during fast-paced rallies and powerful shots. Wilson's V9 technology in the Blade 98 enhances stability and responsiveness, enabling precise shot placement while providing a solid feel for aggressive baseline or net play. This racket is particularly suited for players with a developed technique who want a combination of spin, control, and power without compromising on comfort or stability. Lightweight yet robust, it allows for quick reactions and smooth handling, making it ideal for competitive play. Overall, the Wilson Blade 98 V9 unstrung racket is a premium choice for serious tennis enthusiasts, offering performance-driven features, advanced materials, and a responsive design tailored for high-level adult players. Number 3. Head Speed MP. The Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is a versatile and high-performance racket designed for adult players of all skill levels, offering a blend of power, control, and maneuverability. Constructed with advanced graphite 360+ technology, both in the frame and shaft, it ensures a smooth, responsive feel on contact while providing excellent stability and energy transfer. Despite its sturdy graphite construction, the racket remains lightweight at 11.1 ounces, allowing for quick swings and effortless handling, which is ideal for players seeking both precision and speed in their game. With a grip size of 4.5 inches, the Speed MP offers comfort and secure handling, helping players maintain control during intense rallies in fast-paced matches. Its design emphasizes a balanced combination of power and control, making it suitable for baseline play, net approaches, and aggressive shot-making. The 2022 Speed MP incorporates head signature technology to reduce vibrations and enhance touch, offering a smoother feel that minimizes arm fatigue and maximizes confidence on every shot. The racket's all-around design ensures accessibility for beginners while still meeting the demands of intermediate and advanced players, thanks to its precise frame construction and responsive graphite materials. Its size and weight distribution allow for excellent maneuverability, making it easy to generate spin, speed, and accuracy without compromising comfort or stability. Overall, the Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is a well-rounded, high-quality option for adult players, combining modern materials, ergonomic design, and versatile performance to support a wide range of playing styles, from casual rallies to competitive matches. Number 4. Babolat Pure Aero. The Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Generation tennis racket is a premium performance racket designed specifically for advanced adult players who prioritize spin, power, and precision. Constructed entirely from high-quality graphite in both the frame and shaft, it delivers exceptional strength, stability, and responsiveness while remaining lightweight at 289 grams, enabling fast swings and effortless maneuverability. Its design supports aggressive baseline play, allowing players to generate heavy topspin and maintain control over each stroke. Featuring a 4 3/8-inch grip, the racket offers a comfortable and secure hold, reducing fatigue during extended play while enabling precise handling for advanced techniques. The Pure Aero Rafa incorporates Babolat's signature aerodynamic frame technology, which reduces air resistance and allows for faster racket head speed, translating into more spin and power without compromising control. Its string pattern and optimized balance enhance ball bite and shot accuracy, making it particularly effective for heavy topspin strokes, aggressive rallies, and versatile all-court strategies. The racket is built to accommodate players with a developed skill set, offering the perfect blend of maneuverability, stability, and power. Its lightweight yet durable graphite construction absorbs shock while maintaining responsiveness, giving players confidence in their shots and reducing the risk of arm strain. The 2nd generation model builds on the legacy of Rafael Nadal's Pure Aero series, offering updated performance enhancements and precision-focused improvements for serious tennis enthusiasts. Overall, the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen is a sophisticated, high-performance racket ideal for competitive adult players seeking advanced spin, control, and power in their game. Number 5. Babolat Pure Drive. The Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket, 10th generation, is a versatile and powerful racket designed for adult players seeking an ideal combination of power, spin, and comfort. Constructed with high-quality graphite, the racket provides excellent durability, stability, and responsiveness while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. With a 110 square-inch head size, it offers a larger sweet spot, making it especially forgiving on off-center hits and well-suited for intermediate to advanced players looking for enhanced control without sacrificing power. This 10th generation Pure Drive comes strung with 16G Babolat Sin gut strings at mid-range tension, offering a balanced feel between control and power. The string setup enhances ball response and spin potential while maintaining comfort during long rallies, reducing vibration and minimizing arm fatigue. The racket's frame and shaft design support fast swings and quick reactions, making it ideal for baseline players, aggressive shot makers, and all-court competitors. Ergonomically designed, the racket allows players to generate both topspin and flat shots with precision. Its lightweight construction and optimized balance provide excellent maneuverability, allowing players to react effectively at the net or during fast exchanges. The Pure Drive 110's modern technology ensures stability, comfort, and consistent performance, helping players maximize their potential on the court. Overall, the Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th Gen, is a reliable, high-performance tennis racket that caters to a wide range of players. Its combination of a larger head size, strong configuration, and advanced graphite construction delivers power, spin, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for competitive and recreational players aiming to enhance their game.